Introducing Ksolves Data Solutions, a big data platform designed for modern enterprises who refuse to compromise between cost, control, and capability.
What if I told you that 73% of organizations are trapped in expensive, vendor locked big data platforms that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars annually, while others struggle with fragmented, self managed systems that require armies of specialists to maintain? Today, we're about to change that forever. For instance, let's say you're a CTO of a growing fintech company. Like thousands of CTOs worldwide, you face an impossible choice. Path 1: pay enterprise data platforms $300,000 plus annually, accept complete vendor lock in, wait 2 days just for basic support, limited customization options. Or path 2: you rely on self-managed systems, no centralized dashboard, manual configurations nightmare, individual downloads for each service, command line dependency for everything. What if I say there is a better way? Introducing KDS, Ksolves Data Solutions, the enterprise-grade big data platform that combines the power of open source with the simplicity of managed services. No vendor locking, no massive licensing fees, and no compromises. Built on proven Apache technologies, 24/7 enterprise support, unified management interface, and complete customization freedom. Let me show you what enterprise data management should look like. Let's have a quick tour of our KDS tool. First, notice our unified dashboard. Instead of logging into 15 different interfaces, everything is here. The key metrics, heat map, configuration history. You can see all the key metrics under this tab. In the heat map, you can select any metric and check the heat map visualization. And similarly, you can check the complete configuration history as well. You can also monitor background operations and notifications from here. All this can be done from this single dashboard window. With other enterprise data platforms, this would cost you somewhere upwards of $50,000 just for monitoring. With self-managed, you would need Grafana, Prometheus, and weeks of configuration. But with KDS, it's all built in. Now let's move to the services station. Here, we have quick summaries with direct links to all our services. You have options like start, stop, restart all services, and more. Configuration settings are available right from here. You can check the config group, either use the default or manage your configurations accordingly. For this demo, let's keep it as the default. Want to do advanced NiFi KDS configuration? Do it from here itself. This can be done for any service directly from this interface. In traditional setups, this means hours researching compatibility, complex configuration files, and cross your fingers deployment. With KDS, everything happens automatically. Next comes our host management section. Here we can add new hosts or select existing ones for your usage. For these hosts, you can add or view the host name, IP address, rack cores, RAM, disk usage, version components, and so on. No hassle, just pure control. Next up is our alerts section. Here you can see the status of services with the type of alert definition, along with the respective timestamps and states. You can enable or disable alert definitions right from here. Then comes the cluster admin management section. Here you have 4 options available. Let's check out each one of them one by one. In stack and versions, let's check the first stack. Here you can see the status of all our service stacks. Then you can also view the versions of these services. Here, you also have the option to view more details regarding each version. Next up is the overview of service accounts with their names and values. You can check everything from here. Our tool also gives you the option of Kerberos security configuration. And the last one is Services Auto Start Management. So this completes our quick tour. For a more detailed demo, connect with our team today. Now let's deep dive into the competitive advantages. Coming to the flexibility, with enterprise platforms, there is vendor lock-in, limited customization options. With self-managed, total flexibility but high complexity. But with KDS, best of both. Flexibility without complexity. Coming to the support advantages that KDS will bring to the table. So with enterprise platforms, there is a 2+ day response time reported by 68% of the users. And we're not just making this up, we have seen it with real client cases. With self-managed, you're on your own, you have to use your team, and they need to have expertise onto that specific platform. But with KDS, Ksolves guarantees a 24 cross enterprise support, average 4-hour response. Let's see the ROI and the business impact that customers have seen. Okay, let's quantify the impact for a typical organization. Year 1, licensing cost $300,000 saved. Administrative overhead 60% reduction. Deployment speed 400% faster. Support incidents 75% less. Total year 1 ROI 340%. Now let's talk about the operational benefits. Zero vendor lock-in risk, future-proof architecture, unlimited customization, and community-driven innovation. Ready to break free from vendor lock-in and transform your big data operations? Get your personalized KDS assessment done today. 30-minute consultation with our experts, custom ROI analysis for your environment, proof of concept deployment. Don't let another day pass paying premium prices for basic functionality. KDS by Ksolves, where open source meets enterprise excellence.